Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to prevent everyone from sending you friend requests on Discord with the latest update. If you're looking to reduce unwanted requests and maintain a more focused server experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps you need to follow. First, open the Discord application on your PC. Once it's up and running, you'll be greeted by your home screen, showcasing your servers and friends. Next, locate the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon serves as your user settings. Click on it to access various customization options that Discord offers. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the friend requests section. Click on it to see your current settings related to friend requests. This is where the magic happens. Finally, you'll see an option labeled Allow Friend Requests from Everyone. To prevent anyone from sending you requests, simply toggle this option off. By doing this, you'll limit friend request permissions to only those users you have mutual connections with, or those whose requests you manually accept. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your settings to keep unsolicited friend requests at bay. By following these steps, you'll maintain greater control over your Discord experience without the hassle of constant incoming requests. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on Discord. Happy chatting.